My name is Bailey, and I'm with the graphic design program in the University of West Florida. And I chose this program because I'm really inspired by other creative minds, and then also I just can't see myself pursuing any other type of lifestyle. And I would like to eventually have a job that deals with marketing and working with communications. My perfect job would be to work for like a firm or a marketing company that specializes in either like packaging design or communications, like through infographics. So to me, graphic design means a lot of different things, but it's just a communication through which we have with each other. So like street signs or like cereal boxes, or just really how you, I guess, communicate and relate to brands and visuals that try to get your attention. Or even like CD covers, or like gig posters and just advertisements throughout the community. When you first start out, it's pretty basic. So you have typography, and you have just like very principal classes and like advanced graphics, and you move up throughout those courses. And it really teaches you just how to understand really those basic parts of graphic design, and how you can, I guess, understand the terminology and kind of think more as it builds, as your education grows as well. Some really cool classes, you learn a lot of basic stuff, but then also when you like get up into your higher level of courses, you can do some pretty cool projects. A motion graphics course is just kind of focusing on how to build like motion sequences for movies. And then finally, once you get through all of that work, you have a portfolio class. And it's your last semester within the department, within school, hopefully. And you really just kind of focus on trying to like make yourself ready to be like job ready. My favorite part so far with graphic design has really been our critique process. And it's so when, as a class and with our professors, we go over our work, and we talk about what works, what doesn't work, what we should improve. And it really gives you insight to what you're doing and how it affects other people. But then also you get to build these really awesome relationships with your professors and other students, and it becomes like this encouraging community that you can rely on. But then there's that other part of it that's completely grueling, you know, and you spend like 10 hours in a computer lab, and it's really physically and mentally tolling. Like you come in and it's light, and you go home and it's dark, but it's all worth it. As a precursor, I guess a warning label of some of the things that I wish I would have been told before entering this major. It's not necessarily a bad thing, but you definitely start to pay attention and notice like really small details. Sometimes you can kind of be addicted to fixing those little nudges that aren't quite right. And I think that compared to like other majors, you really have to make that sacrifice to be dedicated to like working. So like mentioning being in a computer lab for hours, it's kind of not always the ideal Saturday, but it just has to be done sometimes. And I guess for more so advice, definitely just be involved with whatever you're passionate about. Look into books, look into magazines, like stalk websites online just to get a feel for kind of the things that you're into. And also just really be aware and kind of understand what's going on around you visually, and having conversations with people who are interested in the same things as you are is really helpful, and it really, I think, does a lot to broaden your horizons and understand where different people are coming from.